Good evening folks, and welcome to a midweek vlog here on my channel. Today I'm going to be, unboxing, so an unboxing video and telling you a little bit more about what we think about and planning in the next few weeks or so. So yeah, like a lot of videos though, a lot of people take time unwrapping it, but I've gone ahead and taken the seals off. So I've been ordering some things from Wiggle. I'd like to share them with you, show you what I've got. But before we open the box, we're going to play a little game of Haribos on no Haribos. So last order there was no Haribos inside it, so I got in touch with them on Facebook and they sent some through the post, so I was very pleased with that. I was actually surprised they actually went to the effort to send some Haribos for the post. To be honest, I didn't expect to get anything. So do we reckon there's any Haribos inside this box? Yes or no? Okay, well let's find out anyway. Let's have a look. Ooh. Can't see any yet. I'll be behind the bed. Voice, we don't want you to see that. Okay, so the first thing in here, quite boring, chain. If you remember back in the last video, I mentioned that the chain was feeling crap. It's making lots of noise. I also mentioned the cassette as well. Now, I have actually bought a cassette as well, but I'm not actually going to change this. I did a bit of investigating, and the last time I ordered a cassette was in October, not July like I thought. So I don't need to change it yet. And I've gone for, well, as I love the hills. When I first bought my Cube, it was 1128, and I've moved up to 1130 recently in the last 8 months or so. That's a couple of changes, and I've gone for 1132 this time. I even thought about 1134, but I thought I'd just take one step at a time. So I've gone for 1132 gear ratio and chain there as well. Now, okay, that's quite boring so far. How about us? Oh, guess what? Look. No Haribos. Oh dear. I tell you what, though, I'm not going to learn on Facebook this time. So what else have I bought? Oh, right, okay. I bought this DHB Block windproof soft cell jacket. It's in the description. It's described as something for autumn days and cool autumn days and winter. So it might be ideal for a commute. For commuting, I don't know, but it's long sleeve. And well, I went out to the Wiggle website and got a new range on there, and it was right there staring at me. Well, the short sleeve version was staring at me, and so I thought I'd scroll down, and I found the long sleeve version. Let's have a look inside. So there we are. Feels good. It's just like a fleecy lining. As always, customary pockets at the back, and there's a zip area as well, so you can put your change. Yeah, it feels really good. Might try that on in a minute. But yeah, most of my gear is green, but this really just shouted at me. Yes, it's the Block Molten. It's actually out of stock now. It's all gone, I believe. I looked earlier, and it all sold out, so I got in there quickly. So what else am I going to talk about in this video? Let's just look up the screen. I've also been buying some gear to do these videos with. I've got a pair of tripods, one's to hold the camera on, because if you might have noticed on most recent videos, I've been having my arm out with the camera on it, and you can only go and hold your arm out for so long before it starts aching. So I've got a proper tripod to put the GoPro on, and the second tripod is to sit on top. I've bought a camera light, so I can use it indoors. So basically a studio light. It's got different filters on it to add a bit of light and get a little bit of natural light into a room where it's even got quite enough brightness, and just to overall improve my videos really. So that should be coming on Friday, so I'm looking forward to getting hold of those. And out kit this weekend to look at the Sonder Colibri. I keep looking at the weather forecast, and it looks like it's improved a little bit in the forecast. got this still snow in there, and it looks like it's got windy as well. So I'm going to be. It's only Wednesday today, as I'm recording this. So it's still plenty of times for the forecast to change. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it. And I've actually already got a route done, which takes me up Froggatt Lane, which is kind of near Bakewell, sort of south, bottom, middle of the Peak District. I was speaking to, can't remember his surname, Kevin Dawson, I think, from Jay's Cycle Shack here in Epworth, and he suggested I do that one instead of my mad plan of doing Home Firth as an Everest. So I'm hoping to Everest Froggatt Lane at some point this year. I don't know when, and it's not in my diary yet. I kind of forgot all about it actually, so I might be squeezing somewhere. So I think it's about 2,800 metres of climbing in 100 kilometres. That's Saturday's ride. So fingers crossed the weather is okay, and I'll go to the Peak District. I love the Peak District. Can't get enough of it. It's a brilliant place to take your bike. And finally, as well, we've been watching some videos on YouTube from. I'll stick a link in the corner. It's from it's called Cycle. The channel's just called Cycle Boots, and recently they did the guys. I don't know if it was taken this year, and there's 3 of them out there. I believe it's the guy who produces the channel is called Steve. Can't remember his name, but anyway, he went to Rutland Water on his mountain bike, I believe, or it'd been a hybrid. And I think I'm going to take a trip. I'd like to take a trip out there one weekend when I'm not doing an audax or long distance ride. Take my own hybrid there and just go around the lake really and just do something a little bit different. Carston Water as well. That's in South Derbyshire. I'd like to visit there again as well. I did hire a mountain bike. It was a Giant, I think. That was a couple of years ago now, so I want to go back there. Just smaller rides, a bit of leisure rides really, nothing too mad. And of course, Peak District, Monsell Head, or the Tisterton Trail. So there's 4 different routes there. I'd like to maybe do all 4. I don't know. It just depends what sort of time I have. So yeah. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. I just thought I'd share that with you. Hope you have a great week. And if you're out riding, hope you have a good time. Hope to see you in the Peak District in my next vlog. If you've got any questions or any comments, just put them below the video and I'll have a go at answering those. So for me, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.